be careful. Most of what we call products are in fact products. Let me tell you about 9 red flags and how it should work. The first red flag is a large PRD. You typically start an initiative by documenting everything up front. The second one is a feature factory. You implement the requirements and why is irrelevant. The next one is Waterfall. In this model, all the requirements are collected in the so-called initial phase. Another one is a Gantt roadmap, a time-based, feature-based roadmap in which you typically present some features on a timeline. Another one is no discovery. There is no need to validate ideas before implementing them. After all, they were brought by an important stakeholder, right? No designer. There is no product designer on the team, and sometimes they are involved at the end of the delivery. It's like lipsticking a pig. No analytics. You have no idea how people use your product. Customer in charge. Powerful customer makes all the decision. You are not a product manager. And last but not least, no strategy. You try to maximize sales by satisfying all customers and grasping every opportunity. Here is a better way. Your cross-functional team is empowered to solve the problems. Product manager, product designer, and lead engineer perform product discovery together, continuously. You have an outcome-based roadmap, preferably now, next, later. If you commit to a date, you do it rarely and only after the discovery. Never commit too early. You manage the value, usability, feasibility, viability risks by experimenting. You test the riskiest assumptions before the implementation. You understand that choosing, instrumenting, and tracking the right metrics is key. You ship incrementally, measure the outcomes, and learn from it. And finally, you understand that trade-offs are essential. What you do, but also what you don't. Respect the market and the unique value proposition. Hope that helps. What are your thoughts?